play with me, that's the only thing I love. I love, 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 love. I love, I love, 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 love. I love.
Yo, what is up, guys?
What's up?
Yo, someone TP'd our neighbor's house. It's pretty dope,
I
right?
haven't seen that and done it forever.
I know, man. It's probably my mom. Just kidding, mom. Look at that.
They only got like one tree, so they did a really great job.
No. I mean, toilet paper's pretty expensive, I guess.
That is also true.
You gotta go to the Dollar Tree and get that.
We might want to go collect some of that just to save.
That's true, man.
There's a whole row right there.
Go
Dude.
grab
That's
some.
like $5.
Go grab some. Go grab some, bro.
Grab some 'cause there's
Oh shit, they didn't even use the whole row. Look at that. Isn't there another one? Oh yeah, there's 2 whole rows.
Look at that cat right there. Look at that. You see this cat over here? His fat ass cat.
I bet that's who did it. You're going to jail, buddy. Hey. You.
It's not them. We're just out here filming some random car.
Beep beep.
He just slides in and fucking hits us.
We got a grant. We got a...
You seen someone TP someone's fucking
We know you
yard?
guys TP'd that yard. Ty? Ty, that was you, bro.
Nah, definitely not.
What up, Ty?
What you doing?
What up? We vlogging, bro.
What's that mean?
It's like a vlog. You know what a vlog is?
Yeah.
That shit's wild.
If I knew what it was, I would have just.
Go get. But I wonder why they just did that half.
Yeah, I don't know.
And they didn't take the time to get the whole row.
Get the bushes
That's
or
what I don't get. Like,
Yeah.
why are they just throwing whole paper rolls in
They
there?
didn't get the bushes or nothing, man. They're amateurs at best.
Yeah, that shit's wild.
I should have showed them how to do it back
For real?
Back in the day, yeah. I haven't seen that shit. I wouldn't expect that from new. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to this vlog. But, yo, guys, it's almost Christmas time and we haven't done shit.
I can tell you this much, it's cold.
It's pretty cold out here. I ain't gonna
We're gonna know that.
Alright, but anyway,
But it's Christmas time and we haven't done anything. What do y'all want to do?
let's celebrate. Let's play some firework dodgeball.
Firework dodgeball?
Who's gonna do it though? Cam! Cam, you down?
I'll do it.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, it's
Firework dodgeball, Cam?
firework dodgeball?
Yeah.
Alright, but we're starting vlogs, guys. Here's Vlogmas.
Vlogmas!
Vlog.
Let's go! Alright boys, we got this set up right here. Look at this. It's not rigged up at all, but we got it. Cam, how you feeling?
It's about to be a lot worse than it looks. I'll tell you that.
That looks pretty gnarly, but this is gonna be really gnarly. America! 2, 1, girl. Come on! Go. Come on! Oh shit, son! Oh shit! Duds! Oh shit! Come on, son! That's all you got? I think that's all she got. The rest are duds. Oh.
That was great.
Shit, Cammy. How you feeling after
Wasn't as bad as you thought. Yeah, that one, you know, so. It got me.
Hold up. Get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Bad bitches, fuck them, then dismiss them. Bang. I ain't really here to take.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're playing this game that we invented last summer, and it's called yard golf. And the loser has to stand with a lit cherry bomb between their legs. Can't move.
Oh, that's gonna be dope. Let's get it. Ty, that's you, boy.
Runs up the shot.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they said it.
Watch this. With the list. So what I think you want to do, right, is you want to play it to the left side of all
I was
this.
thinking, I still wanted to try to kick it in between there, but
Yeah, no. I think that's what Cam was going for too.
but then you can go left smart too. Top left.
That's it, Well, how you playing this one, buddy?
I'm gonna go off the house into the goal.
Smart, let's go.
Me and Michael are tied at +5. Ty is ahead at 0. Whit has +3.
Yo, wait. +5 is good though, right? Like we're winning because we're ahead.
No. Plus in golf is bad.
Dang, man.
If you don't make par on this par 5,
You lose.
Ah! Let's go!
Hits it right into the
Brand new
face.
whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please.
Fuck you, Cam. Yo, guys, I'm not going because there's no way I can lose. Cam is your day. He's just a big loser today.
He gave up.
Fucking cherry bomb his ass. Just.
Ty over here.
All right, Cam. What's up, man?
well, I lost a yard golf and now I've got to suffer the consequences.
You ready? Congrats, bro.
Oh,
Go! What? Oh, shit!
oh man!
Oh, let's go with Craig. Alright guys, thanks for watching our vlog today.
Merry Christmas, jingle balls. You know
Yay.
More crazy shit to come.
Yeah, new vlog all this month, Christmas month. Turn up.
Oh, shit!